Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problem sum based on Fisher's effect under the chapter International Parity Relationship and FE rate under the subject International Finance. Again, a very important topic for all the TYBMS students appearing for semester 6. In this video, we're going to take up three problem sum, okay, with some variations in it. Okay, once you all solve those three sum, I can guarantee that each and every type of sum under this topic can be solved. Okay, now before starting with the sum, okay, we'll just note down few formulas. Number one, okay, Fisher's effect formula is F upon S into HI upon FI, where F is your forward rate, S is your spot rate, HI is the home currency interest component, and FI is the foreign currency interest component. So I want everyone to first note down this particular formula. And thereafter, see F and H, these are the normal rates which might be given the question. Okay, now H and Fi के लिए there is further formulas which we need to note down. So after noting down the forward and the Fisher's effect formula, I want everyone to note down H1 का formula, HI का formula, which is 1 plus IH. IH is nothing but interest of home currency into M upon 12. M is your number of days or months, and calculation of Fi, where Fi is your 1 plus IF, where that is I is your interest of your foreign currency into M upon 12, where M is again your days or number of months. Okay, once I'll note down these three formulas, Fisher effect main formula, then HI ka formula and FI ka formula, we are good to go with the sums. Okay, chalo. So once I'll have noted down these formulas, we will start with the very first sum. Okay, now let us see how to solve a problem sum based on Fisher effects. Okay, now the very first question, we'll read out the first question. The spot rate is rupees 61 per dollar. Interest rate in India is 8%. Interest rate in US is 5%. Calculate the possible 6-month forward rate as per Fisher effect. Okay, now this is a question which has been given. Now let us see how we can solve such kind of sum. Okay, the very first thing we should remember that first we'll note down the formula. Okay, so I'll write here the Fisher's effect formula. Okay, the Fisher effect formula is forward rate upon spot rate equals to HI, that is the home currency interest covered, and foreign currency interest covered. Okay, or interest component we can say it as. That's the formula which is required. Okay, now we need to find the forward rate, so we need to find the value of F. Okay, they are given us the spot rate, yes, so we have the spot rate, but we don't have the home currency or home currency interest component and foreign currency interest component. So that is the very first thing that we need to solve. So here I write number one. We are finding first calculation of the home currency interest component. Now the formula HI is equal to 1 plus the interest of the home currency into M divided by 12. So that is 1 plus interest of home currency. Now $1 is 61 rupees. Remember, any currency which is 1 is always the foreign currency, and the opposite of that, whatever is the currency, will be the base or the home currency. Okay, so $1 is 1, so that is foreign currency, and rupees is given in amount, so that will be your home currency. In India is the home currency, so interest rate of India is 8%, so that will come up to 0.08 into M. Now here it is 6 months forward, so your number of months is 6 divided by 12. So now when we solve this part, it will be 6 divided by 12 into 0.08 plus 1. We should get the value as 1.04. Now remember, we need 4 decimals. I'll put another 2 more decimals after that. Okay, So that's your HI. Now we need to find, after finding HI, we'll have to find second calculation of FI. Okay, that is nothing but foreign currency, based on foreign currency. So FI is equal to, again same formula, 1 plus I, but this is of foreign currency, into M divided by 12. This is a home currency, this is of foreign currency. So 1 plus interest of foreign currency, US ka currency interest was 5%, so that will be 0.05 into 6 divided by 12. So 6 divided by 12 into 0.05 plus 1 will give you 1.025. Remember, we need one more zero after that. So this will come to 1.025, and we'll just put one more zero after it because at least 4 decimals are required. So this is, we found HI, we found FI. Spot is already given in the question. So now I can directly find the last step. Third step will be the calculation of F, that is nothing but the forward rate. Formula is F upon S is equal to HI upon FI. Forward we don't know, we need to find the spot is already given to us as 61. So I'll write the 61.0000 because we need 4 decimal, which is equal to HI is 1.0400 upon 1.0250. Okay, so now we cross multiply 61.40 into 1.0400 divided by 1.0250. We should get the final answer as 61.8927. So I'll write here my forward rate is 61.8927. Okay, so finally calculate the possible 6-month forward rate. So therefore 6-month forward rate as per Fisher's effect is 61.8927. Okay, so this is as simple as that. Okay, you just have to apply the formula, substitute the values and get the answer. So that is Fisher's effect formula. Very simple. Again, a very important topic from the exam point of view. Most of the papers, okay, in each and every paper, this one topic is always there. Okay, now what is the variation? What other variations you can get in this sum? Okay, now look at this part, the second sum. The spot rate is given, 1 euro is SGD amount, 73 days forward rate is given to us, again 1 euro to SGD. Euro interest rate is given, and now they're asking you to find the SGD interest rate. Always remember, how can you identify some? Now in this sum they have not mentioned whether to do it with Fisher or with what. Whenever there will be two interest rate in a question, always remember it will be based on Fisher's effect. Okay, so now let us see how you can go about with this particular sum. Okay, so let us see how to solve this one. Very important sum this is. Again, as we know, as per Fisher effect, the formula is F upon S is equal to HI upon FI. Spot rate is given, forward rate is also given. Now which is a home currency and which is the foreign currency? 1 euro. Always remember, any value, any quotation which has 1, that currency will always be foreign currency. So in our case 1 euro, so it means euro is the foreign currency. The home currency will be SGD, that's nothing but Singapore dollar. Okay, so they are giving you euro interest rate. So FI ka foreign currency ka interest rate is given, and they are asking us to find the value of HI. Okay, not HI but the home currency ka interest rate. So in such case, now remember how to solve. Okay, step number one, since F and S is given and FI we can find, so HI I cannot find because I don't have the home currency interest rate. So what I'll do here is, we will first find step number 1, calculation of FI. Now I know the formula, FI is equal to 1 plus interest of foreign currency into M divided by 12. So that will be 1 plus interest of foreign currency, that is euro, that is 3.25%. So that will be 3.25 divided by 100. So that comes to 0.0325 into M. It is a 73 days. Okay, it is a 73 days. So I will take this as 73 upon 360 just to get it in a easy calculated manner. So while solving this, I will get 73 divided by 360 into 0.0325 plus 1. So we should get the value as 73 divided by 360 into 0.0325 plus 1. So we should get the value as 1.006. It can be 65, or we can even write it as 66, because if you want to round it off, so I'll write it as a 66. Okay, now same thing. Okay, calculation of Fi. So I have got the value of Fi. F is already there, S is already there. So what I can do here is, now second step, what we'll do here is we will calculate HI. We'll try to find HI, okay, where the formula is F upon S is equal to HI upon Fi. Forward rate is given in the question as 1.8704. Spot rate is given in the question as 1.8630. HI we want to find, and Fi we just now found 1.0066. Okay, so we will cross multiply it. 1.8704 into 1.0066 divided by 1.8630. Okay, so we should get the value as HI will be 1.0106. Okay, that is the value of HI. Now if I have found HI, now it is very simple. Okay, now what we'll do here is, now we need to find the interest rate. Okay, so I need to find the value of I basically here. So third step I'll write calculation of I. So now we'll take the HI ka value. HI was 1 plus I of home currency into M divided by 12. We already got this value, okay, that is 1.0106 is equal to 1 plus interest of home currency, I don't know, I need to find that. M was 73 days, so it will be 73 upon, now days it is, so I won't take it at 12, we'll take it at 360 days. Okay, now look at this very carefully. Okay, this is plus, when it goes to the other side it will become minus, so it will be 1.0106 minus 1 is equal to IH into 73 divided by 360. When we subtract it, I get this value as 0.0106 is equal to IH into 73 upon 360. Now we can cross multiply it. So I'll get this 0.0106 into 360 upon 73. That will give you my interest. So on your calci, 0.0106 into 360 divided by 73. We should get a final value as 0.0522, that is IH. Therefore, now this is in decimal points. So if I want to make it into percentage form, therefore I can say the home currency interest rate will be into 100. So that will become 5.22%. Okay. So therefore I can state the final answer. Therefore, SGD interest rate is equal to 5.22%. Okay, so this was another variation. Okay, this was a variation in the same sum what we are doing. Okay, same Fisher's formula. One, they asked you to find the forward here. Forward was given and they asked you to find the interest. Okay, now one more type, one more last type of variation which can come under Fisher. Okay, we'll start with that now. Sum number 3. Okay, now let us look at this third type of sum. They are giving you spot USD to CAD as 1.1045 and 1.1095. So they are giving you bid rate and ask rate in this. Okay, again a very important from the exam point of view. If they give you bid and ask rate under the spot rate, USD interest rate is given, CAD interest rate is given. Okay, calculate the 90 days forward USD to CAD. Okay, again in such case, the first currency, that is USD to CAD, means 1 USD to the CAD. Okay, 1 USD is equal to that many value of CAD. So USD here is your foreign currency, CAD is your home currency. They are giving you bid rate and they have given you the ask rate. So eventually your final answer also should have both the bid rate and your ask rate. Your forward rate will also have both these values. Okay, so now what we do here is, how to solve this kind of sum is, we will first write here, we will solve the bid side and then we'll solve the ask side and then we'll try to get the final answer over it. Okay, so what I write here is, we will write here, we are going to solve first the bid side. Now as per Fisher's effect formula, okay, the formula is F upon S is equal to home currency का interest component upon foreign currency का interest component. Step number 1. Okay, now here they have given you the spot rate, they are giving you both the interest rates, but they are asking you to find the forward. So we don't have the forward. Okay, I have the spot. So first what we'll do, we'll first find H1 and FI, I mean HI and FI. So I'll write here number 1, calculation of HI. Now HI ka formula was, we all know, that was 1 plus, it was interest of home currency into M divided by 12. So that will be 1 plus the home currency, as I told you, USD to CAD, 1 USD to CAD. So USD is the foreign currency, CAD will be the home currency. So CAD ka interest rate is 3.25, so it will be 3.25 divided by 100, so it will be 0.0325 into M, number of days, this is 90 days forward, so 90 upon 360, I'll take it as 360. So now 0.0325 into 90 divided by 360 plus 1. Okay, we will get our home currency ka interest component as 1.0081. Same way now, second we need to calculate of FI. So FI is equal to 1 plus interest of foreign currency into M divided by 12. So 1 plus foreign currency was USD, it is 2.5%. So it will become 0.0250 into 90 days upon 360. Okay, so 2.5 divided by 100 would have been 0.0250 into 100. Yeah, okay, so now 0.0250 into 90 divided by 360 plus 1. Okay, we would get the rate as 1.0062.625, so I can make it as 63. I have HI, I have the FI. I can now apply into the formula and get the value of F. So step number 3 will be calculation of F, that is F upon S is equal to HI upon FI. Forward we don't know, spot rate is given, so we are doing the bid side, so we'll take the bid value. 1.1045 is equal to HI is 1.0081 upon 1.0063. We cross multiply 1.0081 divided by 1.1045 into 1.1045 divided by 1.0063. We will get the value of a forward rate as 1.1065. So this is the bid side, okay, this is the bid value. Now similarly we'll have to now solve the second part, which will be the ask side. So I'll write here ask side. Again the formula will remain the same. So we'll first start calculation of HI. Now if you look carefully, the HI, the rate remains the same, so there is no impact on the rates of both, okay. So the only thing what will change is your F ka value here. So for the ask side, I'll write here calculation of F from the ask side. So formula is forward upon the spot into HI upon FI. Now if you look both the formula, we are not using any forward rates in this formula, neither we are using any spot rates. So this value remains the same. Yeah, forward we need to find from the ask side. Okay, the spot is different for both. Okay, so forward is F. Now here the ask side, the spot rate is 1.1095. This will be 1.0081 upon 1.0063. Again, first we cross multiply 1.0081 into 1.1095 divided by 1.0063. We should get a final answer as 1.1115. So therefore my final answer, I can write that 90 days forward USD to CAD will be bid rate, that is 1.1065 slash the ask rate, that is 1.1115. That's our final answer. Okay, so this was the third type of variation which could be there in your paper. Okay, but again it is based on the Fisher effect formula. Okay, so I hope everyone have understood. It's a very simple type, you just have to follow the rules, that's it. Okay, any type of sums can be solved based on this particular formula. Okay, so I hope everyone have understood that. With that we will be ending this video here. Thank you.